Okay, be one of those posts where sometimes people they tag you for inside where I go check them where as I say where I say it's just a talking on fun. It no be somebody where correct. So at the moment where I just watch the thing, I just comment because the thing vests me to some extent. But me now, as I say, this person say if he be non-fun person, I for no even pay attention to him. I just forget him, but I don't really know him. But just see say people they tag me into the video where I go watch. I say they talk non-fun, they talk about like a Kwapi Polo matter or something. Where he mention my name for inside. What did they talk or no they make sense?
You say the marriage people where you say you want something for some place, but you're working free, nothing happened to you.
But he did I don't really know him, but recently, since that video where I see some updates where I say like they talk some shit, the things they talk or he did there for you, nobody catch up. You understand? What did they talk say? If you gonna he did like somebody catch him later because it be pure disrespect. Even if you get things they talk about people, you for mind your words, you for mind your language, but if it's somebody where they disrespect, with so many things where they talk, no they make sense. So it be himself where they for catch him, strip him. You get me? It be him they for catch him, make them strip him. You say what he's saying is true.
People say Charlie, what he's saying is true.
Like what?
You say the system is not working in Ghana. You say he doesn't understand why you go to December to remember, you go to your team and working for you. If you're putting your boots tomorrow, you arrest and jail. You say why you go jail?
If you the bath where madman can carry your saddest there, your tomorrow and things round, you go take your naked body follow him. You no go follow him. So if madman they talk, if you no follow him, that person no correct. Anytime you go say they talk non-fun. You understand? If you're one of those people where they are just fully on social media to get the trends and views and those things, we go past that level. So it no be somebody where you for pay attention to them. But Ghana, yeah, right now, everybody want to entertain anybody because plenty people are stressed. You understand? Yeah, you know we say what they talk be true, but I would say 99% of the people enjoying his videos, they are just entertaining themselves because he's trying to be funny. He's trying to make people laugh. So I think, yeah, if you say you go follow what they talk there, then you too, you know, for like, what did they do?
So if you get one advice you will give her right now, what advice you will give?
Oh, I just go tell them say make you respect himself because already you know they respect elders. The people they talk shit about or you know they respect them. So I won't talk say make you respect them, make you respect himself. Because if they respect himself, that will make me I go respect them. Where I go listen to in advice they give. But if you yourself you know they respect yourself when they talk shit like that, who go follow what they talk? If you only foolish people where they enjoy what they do. But I mean I don't get any advice I will give them apart from make you respect himself, then know how you go talk to people where they grow past them. Yeah.